Mirus, the assistant by your side. The Mirus system consists of the Mirus controller, the Mirus reflector, and the Mirus filter. The Mirus automatically regulates the required amount of volatile anesthetics during inspiration, adapted to the patient, starting at a tidal volume of 200 milliliters. It features simplified user interfaces, safe filling, reliable gas and respiratory monitoring, and a smart alarm management. Let's see how to work with this automatic inhalative sedation system. Before using the Mirus and after cleaning the system completely, connect the Mirus controller to the main supply. The alarm light turns green and the Mirus controller starts heating up. Remove the plug from the interface connector receptacle and place the Mirus reflector into the protection receptacle and onto the park bay. Now you can turn on the device by pushing the confirm button. When the Mirus is switched on, it always performs a power-up and system test to verify all systems are working properly. Confirm the safety information. The Mirus is ready for use. The system features a simplified, user-friendly interface and optimized work process. In the Patient Data menu, select your patient settings. Our patient is a 33-year-old man weighing 90 kilos and is 175 centimeters tall. After confirming each data entry, go back to the Home menu. MAC, which stands for Minimum Alveolar Concentration, is set at 0.5 by default. Adjust individual MAC according to the patient's required sedation level. Wash-in speed of the volatile anesthetic is set middle, which is rapid by default. If necessary, individually adjust wash-in speed in the MAC Pilot menu. Whatever you select, the MAC Pilot provides the necessary amount of volatile anesthetic gas to reach and maintain the targeted sedation level. The alarm levels are set by default. Individually adjust them to the patient's need by opening the alarm menu. Simply click on one of the current alarm limits. Change this value with the arrows up or down, and save these changes by clicking the Confirm button. The system will immediately alert you when the limit has been exceeded. All settings can be changed during application. To fill the system's reservoir with volatile anesthetic, prepare your preferred bottle with a compatible bottle adapter. Ensure that the color coding of the bottle adapter, the fill port collar, and the bottle matches that of the volatile anesthetic being filled. Open the service menu and click on the Fill Port Flap button. The Fill Port Flap opens up automatically after confirmation. Please do not open manually. Insert the bottle with attached bottle adapter vertically into the fill port. Press the bottle into the fill port gently until a mechanical stop is felt. The reservoir cannot be overfilled. If the maximum level is reached, slowly pull out the bottle and manually close the fill port flap immediately. You can perform the filling process at any stage, also during operation. To connect the patient to the Mirus system, the Mirus reflector and the Mirus filter must be assembled and need to be connected between the Y-piece of the breathing system and the patient tube. When the patient is connected to the Mirus system, the lung icon is animated and the Mirus controller measures an EtCO2 value. If everything is prepared, you can start the application of volatile anesthetics by pressing the Start button. After confirming the start, the application is active and the patient is receiving the inhalation sedation. The MAC Pilot, the assistant by your side, ensures and maintains the set patient target value at all times, just like the cruise control in your car maintains the selected speed. After 10 minutes of no activity on the touchscreen, the Mirus controller switches to the snooze screen. By touching the screen again, the Mirus switches back to the home screen. The set MAC value can be changed and adjusted at any time. The Mirus automatically adjusts to the new conditions. At any time of application, the pause button can be pressed, immediately pausing application. This can be very helpful, for example, when suctioning the patient. Inside the respiratory monitoring menu, you can supervise the respiratory patient data. The Mirus is equipped with a gas monitor that is directly connected to the Mirus reflector and measures and displays the patient's gas concentrations, end-tidal CO2, and the CO2 curve. If the EtCO2 or EtVA are outside the alarm thresholds, the user is informed accordingly through the alarm system. If there is a power loss, the Mirus immediately sends an alarm message that is both visual and audible. The Mirus controller is equipped with an internal emergency power supply. This emergency power supply is automatically activated if the main power supply fails. All preset alarms and parameters are retained during emergency power operation. The Mirus offers clean and efficient solutions. Using the diffusion-optimized gas application function of the Mirus system, the anesthetic gas is only delivered during the diffusion-relevant phase of inspiration. No anesthetic gas is administered during expiration. Together with the clean air and open reservoir scavenging system, the exhaled gas from the patient is routed via the ventilator's expiration outlet to the vacuum outlet and disposed of safely. The primary aim is to ensure the safety of the patient and the user. Stopping the application of volatile anesthetics unlocks the turn-off button. Before turning off the device, please place the Mirus reflector into the park bay. Press the turn-off button and confirm. The Mirus automatically switches off. Expand your possibilities with the Mirus system. Technologically ahead, humanly close.